Back to my channel. Today I have this wet hair look for you guys, and y'all, I'm feeling summer vibes, tropicalness, and everything else. So if you want to know how I got this wet hair look using only one product y'all, and it was really super fast drying time, so keep watching if you want to see. My hair is basically dry. This is dry. Do it look dry? This is how my hair looks wet. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this actually worked using only one product. Like, I'm just like, because people over here using like 5 products in their hair to get the wet hair look. And I'm just like, I'm not about to go buy nothing. So I'm gonna use what I have and see if it works. And it did, so I'm happy. I'm happy it worked. So I'm really surprised at like how easy and fast this was. I'm impressed. And I'm glad that I actually tried this out, because I was like, is it too late? Should I still try it? I didn't really want to do it before, but then I'm like, I kind of want to try it now. I am in love with my hair right now. Like, it's crazy. Like, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It was like super easy and fast. Like, y'all, I'm gonna do this again. I am gonna do this again. And I'm really feeling it. So if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. If you're feeling this look and you feel like I pulled off the wet hair look, then leave a comment or like the video so I'll know. If you made it to the end of this video, hey, and I got some bloopers for y'all, so check it out. You feel like summertime, heart of mine, you know you need to love me, do.